I will share 5 killer tips to help you make the best decisions every time. Have you ever second-guessed a decision you made? You were sitting there wondering if you chose the right path or should have gone left instead of right. We have all been there. Decisions can be challenging, right? Today we are diving into the world of decision making. We do it daily. Let's be honest. Our choices can shape our lives. So understanding how to make the right decisions is super important if you want to feel confident and happy with where you are headed. But here is the problem. Now let's talk about some of the struggles when making decisions. First of all, there is that nagging fear of failure. You know, that voice in the back of your head saying, what if I mess this up? Then the second, there is the overwhelming number of options. Sometimes it feels like you have a million paths to choose from, and narrowing it down can be a real headache. Plus the third one, let's remember the pressure from friends and family. They often have opinions, and it can be hard to turn them out when figuring things out for yourself. All these factors can make decision making feel like a minefield. And it's normal to feel stuck. Yes, it's absolutely normal. So let's jump into these 5 tips that can help you determine if you are making the right decisions. First is to trust your gut. That little voice in your head often knows more than you think. Don't overlook it. Don't underrate it. If you feel unease about a choice, pay attention to that because it will be of help to you. And the second is take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Sometimes you get so caught up in the moment that you forget to consider how this decision fits into your long-term goals. And the third one is don't be afraid to seek advice. Sometimes talking it out with someone you trust can provide you new perspectives you might not have considered. So it's very crucial you seek advice. And the fourth one is consider the worst case scenario. Ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? Often you will realize it's not as scary as you thought. Furthermore, permit yourself to make mistakes. No one is perfect. We are all working to be perfect, and every decision is a chance to learn and grow. And here comes the final tip I have for you, the most powerful tip that could change the way you approach decision making. Practice mindfulness. Being present and aware of your thoughts and feelings can clarify what truly matters to you. This practice allows you to sieve through the noise and distractions in the world, which will help you connect with your authentic self. So, when you are grounded, making choices that align with your values and desires is way easier. So the next time you are faced with a decision, take a moment to breathe and tune into yourself. So in wrapping things up, we covered 5 essential tips for making the right decisions. Trust your gut, look at the bigger picture, seek advice, consider worst case scenarios, and practice mindfulness. Remember, these tips can empower you to make more confident choices and easily navigate uncertainties. So I would love to hear from you. What decision-making experiences have you had? Share your stories in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, ensure you hit that like button, share it, and check out my next video where we will explore more ways to boost your confidence in decision making. So catch you later.
Seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea.